What's the difference between comparing a nullable integer using the equals sign versus the is? Running this produces identical result. They both return true. Looking at the IL generated code and then decompiling it produces the identical result. They both call .hasValue. So what's the difference then? In this case, there isn't any difference at all. However, this is only true for the built-in nullable types. The difference and the problem starts when you start using more complicated or your own classes. Just out of interest, I will perform equals and is operation on my own class called naughtyInt. If you look at the results of calling equals and null, they're slightly different. One is true and another one is false. Why did this happen? Let's have a look at IL generated code. For equals operation, the compiler generated an equivalent of this C# code. And for isNull operation, the compiler generated the following code. It's almost the same, but notice the difference. In case of equals operator, n1 goes first, so the equals operator is invoked on the instance of naughty integer. However, in case of is operator, the equals operator is called on system object class, which means this will compare the references. So how did I manage to produce the following result? N1 is not null, however, N1 equals to null produces true. Well, the way I did it will be obvious once you look at naughtyInt implementation. It basically declares an equals operator which always returns true. As you can see, it also prints a message, I'm really naughty, which is also printed to the terminal when we try to compare N1 to null. I hope you learned something interesting today. Feel free to subscribe for more stuff like this.